are the Blacks Five. Just your everyday family of five in a world designed for the average family of four. Everything we've ever done, from infancy to the age that we're all at now. As men having to make some adjustments, most everything we do has to be modified to reflect the reality of having three kids. We really wanted to share all of our fun-filled experiences that we have as a not-so-average sized family, both in our hometown of Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and beyond. We are Tammy, Ralph, Danica, Darren, Jaden, and of course our fur baby, Kipper. Here we go. Come join us. All right. So today we're visiting Connor's Brothers Conservation Area. The tide is down right now, so we can actually get to this island where there's a lighthouse. But when the tide is completely full, you actually can't walk across this. The island becomes full of water, and then so you have about 8 hours, maybe 6 hours to get across and back. And then otherwise you'd stay stranded on the island until the next...
found the remains of somebody's lunch.
Yeah, until... Oh, nice. Beautiful. Yeah. So we're going to head over and see if we can see the lighthouse. Alright, so we're on the island.
Oh, it's pokey.
Alright, let's see. And there's the lighthouse.
Scratchy.
Very cool. Neat. Okay.
Literally a lighthouse.
This is cool. Check out the view.
Wow.
Neat.
I gotta rest and take a seat. Mom, look.
Yeah, there's a ferry.
That's a good sized ferry, eh?
Yeah, that's the ferry that goes to Grand Manan Island.
Grand Manan Adventure.
Grand Manan. Pretty cool. Ah, it's a good sized ferry, you're right.
Hey, Mom.
Neat.
Let's spot the jellyfish.
There's some jellyfish. They look like hot cross buns.
Yeah, hot cross bun jellies. Although X marks the spot for death. X marks the spot for death.
I don't know. I don't think these sting, but we'll look it up when we get back.
But it's marking your death with an X.
I don't think so.
I think they do.
We'll see.
I think.
I'm gonna go in. I'm going in. I'm looking for a regular old jellyfish.
Mom, don't step on the jelly.
Just looking for jellyfish. This water is cold. Old. Hey, on a path. How's it going?
I got a clam.
Got a clam.
This is the path that was leading to the island.
To the point where we had the lighthouse. Now, we decided we're going to go back to the beach we were at yesterday, which is called the New River Beach. Provincial Park. That's it, New River Beach, Provincial Park. Yeah. So we're going to head there, and tide is completely out, so we're going to go and see what else we can find today.
Yeah, because it's going to be like... Yeah, we're going to the other side, because we went to one side where I got so many battle scars.
Battle scars, yeah.
From all the sharp rocks.
Hold on. Let's pan down to the battle scars.
Fine.
Battle scars.
That's a lot of them.
Poor Danica. Alright, so off we go. Thanks for joining us on today's small adventure. See you next time.